So this is going to be one of the most important videos you watch so you can understand what content actually goes viral and how you can use it so you can start going viral yourself, growing your OnlyFans and growing the subs you have. So this video is going to be about how I reverse engineer viral Instagram content so my creators can get more subscribers and can go viral on a consistent basis. So it's very, very key to understand first of all, and I'm going to break this down step by step so it's easy to follow. It's very important that you start going viral on a consistent basis so you have a subflow just always incoming. Maybe you've gone viral once, twice, maybe every now and then in a blue moon, but you need to have it on a consistent basis. So we need to understand what content actually goes viral and why it goes viral. And that's the whole point of this video as well. So you can see on my screen, we're going to go through this in a second, but we're going to go through the steps by steps, very easy for you to understand first of all. Okay, so the first step for us to understand what's actually going viral is we must understand your niche. You hear me talk about niche all the time in your branding. It's very important that you understand this because what we're going to do from here is create 10 search terms. So let's do this as an example when we'll do it live here. So let's use the gym niche as an example. As a gym niche, we're going to create search terms, 10 search terms that we can search on Instagram from this. So we're going to use gym girls, obviously the first one, fitness girl, maybe you write big ass gym girl, let's think squatting, anything related to the gym, maybe protein girl, anything related to the gym that you can search. Now what I'm going to do here live is I'm going to put my phone on screen. I'm going to screen record my phone so you can follow it on my screen because you can't do this on computer Instagram. It doesn't let you. So what we're going to do from here, we've got the 10 search terms. You'll have them written down. Now we're going to actually start searching them on IG. And as I said, you have to do this on your phone. So from here, we're going to write gym girl, for example. Where it loads up straight away is for you, but we want to scroll over to the reels section. With this reels section, we can now see how many views everything has. So we can see here 3.2 million, 740,000 and whatnot. Okay, now we're looking for reels that are focusing the gym niche in more for OnlyFans creators because it's probably tailored to get more conversion for the OnlyFans. But don't be scared of taking good content outside of OF space in general. So if there's good content from a gym creator, like this one, does she have... Yeah, so she has OF, but obviously it's got 3.2 million views. But don't be scared of taking content outside of OF as well, because if it's going viral in general, it's probably good content. So what we want to do here is save every video we see with over 500,000 views. If it's got over 500,000 views, it obviously or typically means it's a good video. So we're going to scroll through these. We're going to see, okay, what's going on here? And we want to save around 50 videos. What you're going to notice from this and going through them is, say, like 10 million views. Okay, let's go to her account. She doesn't do OF, but she makes great content. Some of her videos are going super viral. Can I take any of them? Can I save any of them? This one, 1.2 million views. Can I take this in any way? Does she do OF? Maybe, maybe not. I can't see from here. Oh, her content goes viral. Okay, is there anything I can take from here? And you want to save 50 videos. Now, alongside this, what you're going to notice when you're searching the different terms, so that was gym girl, let's try fitness girl, is you're going to start seeing there's some creators that just make viral content over and over again. And maybe some creators that look like you, maybe you've got big boobs, they have big boobs. Or maybe they got super big thighs, they've got, and so do you. This is where you want to start creating a list of 20 creators that are more similar to you, that you can always follow, stay in the loop with their content, and then you can just understand how they're going viral because it's more likely to work with you. Now we can see here, there's a video here, 5.8 million views. I want to pick this one out. Is this in the gym niche? Let me just go on that page. Yeah, so she's a gym creator. Again, you would write her name down as a creator. But this is a format. So not only you want to start saving videos and creators, you want to also start looking out for formats. So this format we're looking at right now is the slow pan reveal, where it just slowly goes up. And it's still related to the gym niche. Probably could have been related to the gym niche a little better. But we want to start noticing formats. And I've got a whole video on formats if you don't understand what a format is. And the blueprint structure of viral videos, you can go watch that as well. Okay. Now, once we have created this list of 50 videos, 20 creators, and we can start identifying formats, maybe you want to have about 10 formats saved. What we want to do is we want to create a document, just like this document here in front of me. So this is a document I've started with a creator who's just started working with me. She's in the outdoor nature niche. With every video that we saved, first of all, we want to put a reference link here, so that's where the video is. We're breaking down the hook, the idea, topic, and the format. The reason we're focusing on these three things is because they're the most repeatable and the most, say, important things to a viral piece of content. So your hooks can be broken down into motion hooks, text hooks, editing hooks. Again, if you don't understand the different types of hooks, I've got a video on viral content. It's called something like basically 3 years worth of viral content in 20 minutes, something like that. We're going to start noticing what they're using. So a lot of these hooks here that were performing really well were motion hooks. Okay, so we know in that niche, motion hooks work better. Okay, what type of motion hook is it? Okay, what's not working? So by having the hooks written down, and the hook is the most important part of the video, we can start understanding patterns. Okay, so we're writing down the hooks, then the idea / topic of the video. So this is the main idea of the video, what's actually going on, what's actually happening. Because if we can start noticing good ideas, we can start just having loads of different variations of them. Okay, and the last thing is format. So again, format is just a blueprint structure. Once we can master formats, we have unlimited ideas that can go into the format. I do have a note section, and this just helps me be like, okay, we're going to take this out of this video, we're going to use this or whatever. Any notes I think is relevant. Now, the last thing you can do is rank videos by gold, silver, and bronze. I normally base gold videos over 1 million views, silver around 250 to 1 million views, and then anything below is bronze. And it just gives you, okay, this video performs way better, I probably should create these first. So you need to break them down into hook, the idea, and the format of the video. This is very, very important so you can start picking up the patterns and understanding how you can create the videos yourself. So step 1, understand your niche and come up with 10 search terms. Step 2, start writing these search terms into the Instagram search and finding actual videos that have gone viral. Okay. Step 3 is saving these. About 50 videos you want saved, 20 creators, and about 10 formats you want to idea. Step 4, break down each piece of content into the hook, idea, the format, and then notes if you want as well. Now, step 5 is the simple one. You need to start making this content. So you need to start making the content. I'd recommend not batch creating to start, because there's going to be little errors you make when copying these videos, okay? So you want to copy these first. You need to understand what's going viral and how you can use it before you start coming up with your own ideas and using your own ideas in the formats. You need to master these first. Now, once you create these videos, you need to look back. Okay, here's the original and here's my version. Are these identical? Is each second, each frame the same? Because this one's already gone viral. If it is, I'm likely to go viral. It's very, very simple as that. Along this process of testing, maybe you create 7 videos to start. I'd recommend you want to test about 3 different formats. Okay, so for this, say, nature outdoor niche creator, we're going to test a bushcraft, then we're going to do a caption, then a live narrative story. And if these don't work, we'll try them a few times. And then if these don't work, okay, we're trying 3 different formats. Oh, and then this slow pan reveal format sticks. So let's use this one more. Very, very simple. Now, once you start making the content, start putting it out there, start getting views, start getting comments and engagements, this is when you start looking for patterns. So you're going to see, okay, this works for me, this doesn't work for me. Does this format work better? Does this type of hook work better for me? Is this getting me subs? You're going to start pulling these patterns. And it's a very, very simple process. If you can do this, give yourself feedback and really understand why the content's gone viral, then you're going to get a consistent flow of subscribers. So that's what I wanted to cover. Literally a 6-step process. I'll run over it again, just simple for you. Understand your niche and write 10 search terms. Start searching the terms and look through reels. Say 50 videos and 20 creators and around 10 formats have an idea of. Break down the videos into hook, idea, and format. Start creating the video single batch. And then number 6, give yourself feedback so you have patterns so you can create future content. So this is your starting point. And this should start getting the ball rolling so you can get more consistent views, more consistent engagement, and that should roll into subscribers as well. Now, if you need any help, you can send me a message on Telegram or Instagram at ArdenBliss1. I can give you some help, maybe with coming up with the 10 search terms in your niche, or finding similar creators to you, or just giving you some advice in general. If you found this video helpful, subscribe. I'm going to be dropping videos again roughly once a week, so you can go viral more, get more subs, and just make more money on OF in general.